Welcome to the 2.5 minute warning for Wednesday, the 20th day of September, and I have no idea what to talk about today. I could talk about silver on this daily time frame. As I mentioned, it was going to go down a bit lower, and it's doing a little bit of nothing ever since, but nah. Or gold is a more common trading vehicle, and well, it looks like it's starting to turn down, maybe, but we do see that the key place to where it came from is a little bit below the 1300 handle. Hasn't been there yet. I could talk about the US dollar index, which has been in a steady decline, but I've talked a little bit about it, and the trend continues to be exactly the same throughout the year. I could talk about the Dow Jones Industrial Averages or the equity markets, how it's broken this key level of resistance. And for a while, I've been thinking, you know what, 23,000 will be an interesting level because back in 2007, it went to 14,200 and then it fell to 6,600. Well, the fib upside to that level represents 23,000. So I'm going to be interested to see what happens there. Bitcoin on its daily time frame is just hanging in there within its daily time frame. So it's one of those types of days where if I didn't want to cover it, it's one of those days. Here's a chart on TradingView I've seen for the first time. I have no idea what this means. It says BTC USD longs. They also have it for the shorts. This is the 15-minute time frame going back to August the 24th. Yet if I go to the 30-minute time frame, this is what pops up: a lot less data for just double the time. And this is what the shorts one would look like. And this is on the 4-hour time frame. I don't know what these numbers mean at all. So I'm not going to talk about it, although I kind of am. Now I could talk about the code start here on the 4-hour time frame. I haven't traded this market in a coon's age, but it's going up massive on huge volume from under 1,000 to about 34 and now down to 27. Taking a look on the daily, well, I've said this before, when these things are ready to go, they go. Yeah, this one's ready right now and it's going. On the weekly time frame, it's been a wild moving thing, been here a long time, but I don't feel like talking about how this is straight flattened out for step 1, step 2 was to establish, step 3 was coming back, and it's got to get above here to do step 4 and turn this into a bull market. And now that 2.5 minutes is up and I have no idea what to talk about, I'm just going to push the stop button. Thank you for tuning in.